Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about one-step equations. I already started the notes here. So to solve an equation, you must isolate the variable. In order to isolate the variable, we use inverse operations. So inverse operations are operations that undo each other. So think opposite. So pairs of inverse operations, we have add and subtract. And then we have multiply and divide. So let's look at some examples here. So these are just one-step equations. So in this one we have x plus 6 equals 4. So the first thing I'm going to do is draw my line down for my equal sign. I'm going to do the opposite of addition, which is subtraction. And so I'm going to subtract 6 from both sides. Whatever I do to one side, I have to do to the other to keep it balanced. So 6 minus 6 just gives me 0. So on the left I'm left with x. And 4 minus 6 gives me negative 2. So my answer would be negative 2. You can always check your answer by plugging that value back in. So negative 2 plus 6 equals 4. And that works. Okay? All right, the next example, we have x minus 3 equals negative 9. So I'm going to draw my line. I'm going to do the opposite of subtraction, which is addition. And I'm going to add 3 to both sides, because whatever I do to one side, I have to do to the other. Negative 3 plus positive 3 gives me 0. So I'm just left with x on the left. And then negative 9 plus positive 3 gives me negative 6. So that would be my answer for this one. And once again, we can always check. Negative 6 minus 3 equals negative 9. Because we know our integer rules for subtraction, when we add a line and change the sign, becomes plus negative 3. That works. So our answer is correct.